Hello friends, did you know about the world's most expensive drug that costs around $2.2 million or 18 crores for a single dose? I am talking about the drug Zolgensma, which is known to be the costliest drug till date. So in this video, I'll put some light on Zolgensma, what it is used for and why it is so expensive. But before that, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to not miss any future videos. So without any further delay, let's get started. The scientific name of Zolgensma is O-nas-amnogene A parvovirus, which is a gene therapy medication used to treat a rare genetic disorder called spinal muscular atrophy. It is a disorder which is linked to the genetic defect in the survival motor neuron gene called SMN1 gene. In this, a person cannot control the movement of their muscles due to loss of nerve cells in the spinal cord and brainstem. As the disease progresses, it becomes extremely difficult for the babies to carry out basic activities such as sitting up, lifting their head, or swallowing milk. The disorder leads to loss of neuromuscular function due to damaged motor neurons, which are responsible for actions such as speaking, walking, breathing, and swallowing. It can even cause paralysis. So who develops Zolgensma? It was initially developed by Avexis, which was acquired by Novartis in May 2018. Though it has many competitors such as Spinraza, Ravicti, and Zokinvy, it still manages to top the chart with its price and extraordinary value. How does Zolgensma work? It treats the genetic root cause of SMA by replacing the missing or faulty SMN1 gene with a new copy of human SMN gene. It is recommended for children below 2 years and can only be used as a one-time injection infused intravenously. Zolgensma was approved in the US for medical use in 2019 and has since then turned into a miracle drug for this rare disorder. Around 38 babies had succumbed to this rare disease in Karnataka in over 1.5 years, as most families were unable to afford the cost of the treatment. This remarkable drug has helped to treat a 10-month-old baby Janish in India, whose parents Naveen Kumar and Jyoti managed to raise 16 crores through crowdfunding. Now, if you are wondering why it is so expensive, the CEO of Novartis, Vas Narasimhan, believes that the drug represents a medical breakthrough in the way that it offers hope of a cure for deadly genetic disease with a single dose. He said that it takes great effort, years of research and investment to develop, provide and ensure the value it delivers. Now, does the drug provide a permanent solution? The answer is no. But it will surely help the child survive longer with less severe effects. Children with type 2 SMA may even have the chance of living a normal life. However, depending on the severity, the life expectancy of the child may vary. For more information related to the research and trials on Zolgensma, you can visit their official website www.zolgensma.com. Do you think the cost of the drug should be reduced and funded by the governments to save the lives of thousands of children across the globe? Let us know your opinion in the comments below. So that's all we have from this video. If you liked the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe the channel to get the latest health and fitness related tips every week. You can also check our blog healthmania.org, where we regularly post health and fitness related tips. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe, and have a great day.